Welcome to our language school, The World, where our expert teachers make mastering authentic English easy and fun.
Today we're going to look at other colours, so the second part of our idioms connected to colours, colourful expressions, let's call them. Last time we saw red and black. This time we're going to see blue and green, yeah? Blue and green.
And mixed colours.
Okay.
And mixed colours, exactly.
And mixed colours as well, why not, yeah. So, let's kick off.
If you missed our previous video, please look it up on our channel. And so you can see idioms with with red and black.
So now we're going to start with the color blue today. Now, what do you typically think of when you think of the color blue?
Yeah.
Maybe something calm, something stable.
Yeah, but also something sad and melancholic.
Yeah, a little bit.
Could be.
Like the music, blues music, and to feel blue, that's the first one for you, to feel blue, melancholic, a bit sad.
Yeah, so why don't we dive into some idioms featuring the color blue?
Yeah.
So what about bolt from the blue?
Bolt from the blue.
How would you describe that?
So that would be like an unexpected piece of news or an event, for example.
So similar to out of the blue as well. So something says or something, someone says something or something happens out of the blue.
Exactly.
From nowhere. You know, we weren't expecting it at all. Okay.
Or even once in a blue moon. So the blue moon happens very infrequently, right? Yeah. So if something happens once in a blue moon,
something very rare.
Exactly.
Very rare.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And another one is to go blue in the face. What does that mean?
So that is to do something without really achieving a result and that you get really exhausted.
Yeah, like in Italian, it would be die, and then you still get nowhere in the end.
You go blue in the face, like you're losing oxygen from trying so hard.
Exactly.
But with no
and
results,
maybe that could cause you to have the blues.
Ah, sure.
Even.
Yeah.
Feelings of sadness, melancholy. You have the blues. You're very sad.
Yeah,
exactly.
Absolutely.
Well, let's move on to another colour.
Sure.
What about one of my favourite colours, green, for example?
Yeah, it's my favourite too.
Yes, I love it. Very natural, and it kind of makes you think of growth and renewal.
Yeah, absolutely. And also, of course, it's synonymous with British landscape.
Ah, sure.
The rolling hills of the British countryside and all the manicured lawns.
Ah, sure.
Really beautiful always.
Yeah. Speaking about lawns and so about grass, one typical idiom using green is the grass is always greener on the other side of the road.
Absolutely.
Looking at other people's life or success or whatever, you always think in some way it's better than yours. The grass is always greener on the other side of the road.
It's almost like you always want what you can't have. It's a similar kind of feeling.
And remaining in the garden and on the lawns
is to have a green thumb or to be green-fingered as well. So that means to be really good at growing plants.
Yeah, I have a black thumb and just kill any plants after 5 minutes.
It's true.
It's really incapable of keeping alive any plants, unfortunately.
And so then we have another green one is being a green-eyed monster. It's whenever you're very jealous of someone or something, and so you become a green-eyed monster.
Yeah, actually, you're right. It actually makes sense.
Then to give the green light, which means simply to allow someone to proceed, to get authorization to proceed. You're presenting your project, so everything okay? Can I carry on? Yeah. You got the green light. Proceed, carry on.
Yeah,
exactly.
So now let's look at how other colors can go into idioms, can be used in idioms. What about brown nose? Have you ever heard of that?
No.
Oh, I've heard of it. Yes, it's whenever you're trying really hard to please someone, to kind of gain their favor, get something that you want.
To brush them up.
Something like that. Yes, it's not a very nice thing. You don't want to be a brown nose.
Another one is to look through rose-colored glasses. Look through rose-colored. You see everything fantastic, totally positive. You can't see any negative aspects. You're looking at life or the situation through rose-colored glasses.
Exactly.
And my personal favorite is tickled pink.
Yeah,
Apart from the color, which I love. So it means to be very pleased or delighted with something.
Absolutely.
It's ironic because I don't like being tickled, but it's something that is a very positive idiom. It's ironic.
So actually, to be tickled pink, the opposite of it is another idiomatic expression, and it is to feel blue.
Ah, sure. Yeah, very sad and depressed in a certain sense. Yeah, absolutely.
Exactly.
So can you think of an idiom with yellow?
Ooh, I think being yellow-bellied. Yes, it's whenever you're very cowardly or afraid, kind of showing your yellow belly in fear, like an animal.
Exactly.
Don't you say you're chicken?
Oh, so yeah,
exactly. A yellow-bellied chicken.
Don't be a yellow belly, don't be a chicken, you're right, yeah. And when you're not feeling very well, you're feeling poorly, you would say you're looking very off colour. And Jay, you're looking very off colour, you should call a doctor.
Yeah, when your face loses colour, basically.
Exactly.
What if I say show your true colours?
Like be yourself. Show off who you really are. Don't hide.
Exactly.
And always talking about mixed colours at this point, to pass with flying colours.
Yeah. Really easily, really quickly. A test, an examination, some kind of prova, to pass with flying colours, like,
to succeed, to excel in something. Okay, especially when you're talking about a test or an examination, something like that. Okay, so let's play a little game. And we're going to read a story. Now, try and understand, catch as many idioms from the story and see if you understand it. And then maybe you can write in the comments below to see which ones you figured out and understood. So,
who's going to start? You're going to start?
Okay, I'll start. So, once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a girl named Lily. Lily had always been the black sheep of her family, while everyone else was busy pursuing careers in law and medicine. Lily dreamed of becoming a circus performer.
Her family often accused her of brown-nosing her way into unusual jobs and experiences, but Lily remained undeterred. One day, she received the green light to audition for a prestigious circus troupe. Despite feeling a little bit off color due to nerves, she nailed the audition and passed with flying colors.
Her family, initially skeptical, were tickled pink when they saw her perform under the top. Lily's success proved that sometimes it pays off to chase your dreams, even if the path isn't always clear.
So there you have it, a colourful journey through some of the most interesting idioms in the English language.
From tickled pink to seeing red and navigating in the grey areas between expressions and idioms and splashes of creativity in everyday conversations.
Yeah, so next time you hear someone talking about passing with flying colors or being tickled pink, you will know what they're actually trying to convey.
So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free content.
Yeah, we would be tickled pink, obviously, if you liked it. Absolutely.
Do you think we passed with flying colors just now?
I don't know. You tell us. Did we pass?
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
So, guys, see you for the next video. Have fun and live a colourful life.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.